Hey guys, so we just had our pool cleaned today. Actually, this has been a 2-day project. We will show you pictures of what it looked like prior to us moving in. But thank you to these two helpful gentlemen right here. They're fantastic. And they're going to give you their information where to contact them if you need any type of pool work, water work, plumbing work. Contact Jerry right here. Go ahead, let them know, Jerry.
I'm Jerry. You wanna clean the pool? Yeah, just contact me.
What information do they got? Can they reach you on Facebook?
Yeah, I have email and Facebook and personal contact number.
What's that personal contact number?
0917-4432-530.
There you go. All right.
Yes,
Yeah, appreciate it. So seriously, guys, they did one hell of a job on our pool. Look at the photos before and afterwards, and this is just magnificent. We're very happy, very pleased. All right.